Hi everyone. So this is an example of how to play the dice game. So I'm going to go to this other tab over here so you can see my dice roll. So in this one, I clicked roll, and I'm playing with 3 dice. You can play with 1, 2, or 3, or 4, as many as you want. So in this one, I rolled 3 5s. So what I need to do on my paper is write down my addition sentence. 5 plus 5 plus 5. And that equals 15. Okay, let's try another one. Roll again. Okay, this time I got 3 1s. So I'm going to write 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Easy. You could also do some subtracting. You might have to play around with the numbers though, because if you have too many numbers, they might not all subtract from each other. Because if we have 1, we subtract 1, that's already 0. So we can't subtract another 1. But you could add 2 and subtract 1. So if we added the first 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Take away 1, that makes 1. So you could try that as well. Let's do a couple more together. Now let's have time we have 4, a 1, a 1. So I'm going to do adding first. 4 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. Grab it, count up, 2 more. 5, 6. And this one we could also do some subtracting. I'm going to change my color so you can see. In this one you could also do 4 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1 minus 1. So you would start with 4. You would take 1 away and another 1 away. That would be 2. You could also do 4 plus 1 minus 1. You could do a mix. So if we have 4, we do plus 1, that makes 5. Take away 1, that makes back to 4. So you can kind of mix and match. And if this is too easy for you, add more dice. Okay, you can add as many as you want. We're going to do one more together. Roll again. 5 and 4 and 2. So I'm going to write my numbers. 5 plus 4 plus 2 equals, so 5 plus 4, well, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, so 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 2 more equals 11. Or you could do subtracting. You could go 9 minus 2. You could go 5. Well, you can't do 5 minus 4 minus 2 because that would be less than 0, so you can't do that. But you could do 9 minus 2. Or you could do 6 minus 5. You could do it that way. You can kind of mix and match and do it in the way that works for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Have fun.